If you are looking for the domain expired domain, if you are looking for the expired domain and good authority domain, which is having a good more than 1 lakh backlinks, and there is no penalty in the Google. So Domain Ninja help you to find out those kind of the domain with the help of this AI tool, which is a Domain Ninja. Domain Ninja having a basically platform help you to find out the expired domain with the good backlink and good authority in the eyes of Google. This platform, just go and create an account and find out your niche keyword. This platform suggests you to tons of the expired domain. Go and publish, go and purchase and publish your article and rank from day one in the Google. Thank